So it sounds like it's something ideal for those who are very risk averse kasi nga hindi siya nakatali sa stock market where volatility is just a part of its character, no? So
Correct.
ito very very stable siya. Mhm.
Yes.
So in terms of market reaction, Julie, kumusta naman? Maganda ba yung reaction ng mga tao sa MP2?
Actually, I don't know about MP2 because I have not tried the MP2. I
Oh,
only
okay.
found out that what they have, no?
Mm-mm.
You can invest in MP2, yes, but I'd rather know where to. Kasi mas alam ko kasi ang mutual funds eh.
Mm,
Than
okay.
MP2. Para
Mm-mm.
lang naman, ang MP2 kasi sa akin, para siyang government basket, para siyang conservative basket for me.
Mm-mm.
So, ganun lang siya. Um, Limited din ang kanyang return. Kaya siya
Oo.
popular kasi the masses can understand the pag-ibig funds
Yes,
or
they
this
yeah.
kind of investment.
Mm.
Yun, naintindihan nila. Hindi nila masyado naintindihan ng mutual funds.
Mm.